Hi, and how are you all today? Let us discuss the following question. It says, classify each one of the following angles as right, straight, acute, obtuse, or reflex. Now, these are the figures which are given to us, but before proceeding on, should be well versed with what a right angle means. Right angle is an angle which is equal to 90 degrees measurement and B, which is perpendicular to a line, and it is forming an angle of right angle. We denote it with this sign. Whereas straight angle, as the word suggests, is equal to 180 degrees, which is formed on a straight line. So if we are talking about angle A, it also forms a semicircle if you carefully observe, and hence this is referred to as straight angle. Acute angle is an angle which lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 0 degree is this, 90 degrees is this. So it will be lying between it. Obtuse angle lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. That means it is little more than 90 degree and less than 180 degrees. So it lies in this direction or in this quadrant. Whereas lastly, reflex angles are those angles which lie between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So it will be more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degree. If it is the starting point, we refer it as 0, and then if it is complete, then we refer it as 360 degree. So it somewhat lies between this and this. So this is the angle which we are talking about. So the knowledge of all these angles are the key ideas that we are going to use in order to write down the answers. We'll be doing it in the figures above only. So talking about this angle, figure A, this is less than 90 degrees, or we can say it is lying between 0 degrees and 90 degree, hence it is a right angle. This is clearly more than 90 but less than 180, so it is an obtuse angle. Here this is directly perpendicular to it and it is hence forming a right angle. Whereas this, if you carefully see, it's more than 180 degrees. If you measure it carefully, it is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degree, hence it is a reflex angle. So this is an acute angle, this is obtuse, this is obviously right, this is reflex. This is a straight angle forming a semicircle, little semicircle and a straight line. So it is a straight angle. Now if you carefully see, all these are less than 90 degrees and hence they are acute angle. So writing all these in an answer form, we can say about figure A that it is an acute angle. Figure B is an obtuse angle. Figure C is a right angle. Figure D is a reflex angle. Figure E is a straight angle. And lastly, figure F is an acute angle. So, I hope you enjoyed the session. Do remember all the types of angles. Remember in which degrees they lie, and for verification it will be easier for you to verify it. So, bye for now.